next interface in our YouTube Ranker software is the YouTube Optimizer interface. So in this interface there are two sections. One is to find the long tail keywords and the other one is the latent semantic index analyzer. First we'll see about how to find long tail keywords, and then we'll go to the next section. So here you can see that there is an option called enable find YouTube long tail keywords or to disable it. Similarly, there is an option in LSI content too. So if you wish to use both the sections at the same time, you have to enable both the options and start it. If you are not going to use any one of the section, for example, if you don't want to find long tail keywords, you can disable the option and enable the LSI content option and start now. Similarly, if you are going to find long tail keywords and if you are not going to use the LSI content section, you can disable this option and enable the long tail section part and click on start now. So this is how you have to work on it, and then you have to enter your keyword like iPhone. So this section is going to suggest you long tail keywords, so you can just enter a small word which you are interested in and a small keyword that you already have an idea. So enter a small word, and if you start now, you will get the results with long tail keywords, and you can use those long tail keywords again in the YouTube competition analyzer and find out how good competitive the keyword is and how to make use of those keywords. This section will really help you to find out long tail keywords, and you can check its competition level again in YouTube competition analyzer. So that's it in this section. The next comes our LSI content section. First you have to enable it and then enter your keyword like Apple iPhone. So enter a keyword and then select a file. These files should be totally different. So you have to first select a file to save repeated words list, and then you have to again select a file to save detailed report. So these files should be notepad file. Similarly, you have to select a file in long tail keyword section as well, and it can be a notepad file or a CSV file. So here I have selected, just to show you, I have selected a notepad file. So select a file that suits you better. Let's come back to our LSI content. As I said, select two notepad files. One is to save the repeated words list and the other one is to save the detailed report. After entering the keyword and selecting the files, click on start now. You can see the status of the process in the status bar here. So yes, it's done, and you can see the output saved in the notepad file you have selected. So let me show you the example. I have selected notepad 1 for the repeated words list. So this is the output for the keyword I have searched, and you can see that Apple iPhone, this keyword alone has been repeated 9 times in the top list. So similarly, iPhone 6s has been repeated 4 times. So this is how you have to research and find out which keywords has been repeated more and include those words along with your title in the YouTube video so that your video will get ranked soon. Similarly, we have again selected another notepad for the detailed report. If you see that report, you can see that the total number of occurrence will be given in the list. See, we have a lot of words here, and along with how many has been repeated in the beginning of the sentence and in the end of the sentence, and the total list. So apple is the highest repeated word, and there is also another word called iPhone 7, so it has been repeated 17 times. So these words has been repeated more times. If you use these words, then there are many chances that your video can get ranked soon. So make use of this software and get an idea about how your title should be and what are the keywords you should include in the title to make your video ranked soon in YouTube. So that's it for this lecture. If you have any questions or doubts regarding this software or any interfaces, please feel free to contact me. I'll be always there to help you.